We're gonna make a berry yogurt parfait. I'm gonna make it kind of in advance, so I'm just gonna do some quick prep here. So these are the ingredients we're gonna be using. I got some fresh mint from our garden. This is some organic blueberries, some regular strawberries, and then we got some plain old Greek yogurt. And these are our vessels that we're gonna put in there. Okay. And I got here just three things that you really need. Is I got a ceramic knife, a paring knife. I got this little fancy little shear. It's like a little scissors for the mint. So I'll show you guys there in a minute. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off the top off of all the strawberries. Alright, so I'm gonna remove all this part that's not edible. So I'm gonna make 3 parfaits today. They're not very big, they're very small. This is more like it's almost like a tasting size. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm cutting it down the middle, so I get about like quarters. But I'm gonna cut those in half as well. So it'll fit in there really nicely. And it will look good too. Alright. Alright. And then let's see. So I'll cut these about, say, like a medium dice. Alright, medium dice strawberries. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna layer it. We're gonna layer these parfait. So the very bottom layer. So since I already have this, I'll put this over here. So since I have the berries, we're not gonna cut the berries, obviously. So we're just gonna do some layers. So I put the strawberry first. Alright, so I'm gonna use a spoon, easier. Alright, spoon. The first layer will be the strawberries. As long as it's kind of flat, so we're good on that. And then the second layer is gonna be some of that yogurt. I'll do about 2 tablespoons worth of yogurt per layer. Alright, so that's the second layer, and then the third layer, I'll put some of these fresh blueberries. Okay. And then I'll put some more of these blueberries in there. Okay. Then that's it. And then so I'm gonna put the last layer of yogurt. And this time it's gonna go like just a little bit, just like one little dollop. So it's about 1 tablespoon. Close to a tablespoon. And then some more strawberries. Just to cap it off with some more strawberries. Alright. Okay, and then I'm gonna have it like this. And that's it. I'm gonna do a little garnishing here, just to make it a little fancier. So I like the leaves of these mint. They smell great, and it looks good too. It really complements the strawberries and any berries. So we'll do some of these mints. Just trim them off. Try to get the whole leaves, because it looks good too. Alright, I have a couple petals, so I'll stick that in there. All right. All right, so that, and I need a couple more petals. Use some of these. This one, I did the larger petals. Okay. Okay. All right, and then there you have it. Okay, this is my strawberry parfait. Oh, strawberry berries parfait. Get this out. And there you go. All right. Okay. Well, thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching.